Hey guys, this is Jess on Ford Bronco, and today we're going to install the LED Factory Mart multicolor trail marker lights that you see here. This is the packaging, comes everything that you need, you're ready to go. We have our trail marker lights, our fuse tap, our wiring harness, and the tools that you need. Super simple. We're going to start by removing the 3 screws in your OEM trail marker. Super easy. Pull those out. Make sure you don't drop them down. And once you have that out, you can just pull it out there. Now from this, you want to take the rubber seal off your OEM marker because you're going to reinstall that on the aluminum marker from LED Factory Mart. Easy pry tool. Get right along that edge and it pops right off. Super simple. And then reinstall it on your new lighted marker. Squeeze that gasket right on there and you are good to go. So we put the lighted marker back in, and with the included bolts here, we add those in. Now we did use our OEM bolt for that last one to hold that one in there. And you do that on both sides. And so you have your new marker lights installed. Now you have these 2 bolts on your original marker. You can remove those out and then reinstall them onto your lighted marker. You see right here we have that hardware in. And we'll take a look at the wiring here. We tucked our wiring right here behind the battery and brought it right across the front and underneath our air intake to the other side where it's attached to the other light on this side. Don't forget to scan this QR code to download the app to control your lights. And you hook up your fuse tap here to the wiring harness. Snaps right in. And we decided to put our fuse tap in fuse number 25, which you see right here in the box. And that makes the lights run anytime the engine is on. You want to make sure you ground your wiring. And we chose this location right near the battery. We just loosened this spot up, added our ground wire, make sure our wiring is safe. And there you have it. Multicolor trail marker lights from LED Factory Mart. You can control your lights from the app, turn them on and off, change the colors, change the settings and patterns, and they're super easy to use. Check out the description below for a link to order these from LED Factory Mart. Drop us a comment and let us know what you think.